The recipe room. Hello everyone. I'm happy to be back with you all again. Today we're going to make a professional chocolate cake that everyone will love. I hope you enjoy this video. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future updates and videos. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button so others can see it too. Now let's get into making this delicious cake. The main ingredients we'll need are all-purpose flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, eggs, milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, boiling water. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease the baking pan. You can use oil or butter for greasing. Now let's mix the dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Sift together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt until well combined. In another bowl, mix the wet ingredients. Crack the eggs and whisk together with the milk, oil and vanilla extract. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix until just combined. Slowly add the boiling water and gently mix until smooth. Pour the batter into the greased pan and spread evenly. Bake for 30-35 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely before frosting if desired. Enjoy with ice cream. I hope you like this chocolate cake. I hope you enjoyed this chocolate cake. Please leave your feedback in the comments so I know how to improve future videos. Let me know if you have any other cake baking questions. I'd love to see your comments. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.